Ready?
I already started it. Okay.
Hey everybody, this is my name is Felix Trejo, and I just recently enrolled into Full Sail University. Just got my iPad, I believe, in the FedEx today. So I'm gonna open that up. Can't wait to start on Monday, the 30th, with Full Sail. So let's open this up. By the way, Full Sail is a great school. I'm happy to be enrolled, and I can't wait to start on Monday. And here it is, iPad.
Zoom in. Okay.
And I'll open this up. Oh, by the way, my daughter is the cameraman, Sophia.
Make sure to subscribe.
And here it is.
It's freaking beautiful.
Loading it up.
Just pour it out like that. Oh, look, you even got the charger of its own.
And here she is, brand new iPad.
Turn it on.
It's for my school.
Turn it
It'll
on.
help me out bunches. Got the cool charger, the Apple charger on there, or the Apple port.
And the book.
And I
booklet.
believe this is
Instructions.
just instructions and warranty on it. Tips.
Yeah, you're gonna wait around till. Oh, you got it.
Making a video. He has to film it.
Okay, thanks guys.
Bye.